Here we have an industrial grade 1 horsepower chop saw. We got it hooked up to 230 volts, 3-phase power, and we're gonna turn it on here and show you that it works. And we're gonna cut a piece of pipe here. This unit does miter. If you need it to miter, you could move the miter. It's locked in right now at 90 degrees. We'll go ahead and turn it on. So this is the piece that we cut off right there. It's a pretty thick tubing right there. And in order to miter, you kind of got to loosen the nut here to do the miter. But if you wanted to miter, you could move it this way or the other way, actually. Okay, that is the gray industrial chop saw.